Now, every year, more than 1.3 million people die across the world as a result of road traffic crashes.
There'll soon be extra eyes on drivers using their mobile phones. The system uses high-definition cameras and artificial intelligence, making the chances of getting caught higher than ever.
This week, the world's first camera capable of catching drivers using phones has gone live at 2 roadside camera locations in Sydney.
The Acusensus solution captures high-resolution photographs of every vehicle that passes by the camera system. The solution penetrates through the windshield day or night, any weather condition, and gets high-quality prosecutable evidence of drivers touching the phone illegally, wherever that may be within the cabin.
Busted. A man behind the wheel paying no attention to the road, texting on his phone while his passenger steers the car, travelling at 80 k's an hour.
We saw people try to be tricky by having their phone below the window line of their vehicles.
Developed here in Australia, this world-first technology uses high-definition cameras and artificial intelligence to detect people using their mobile phones while driving.
It's expected other states and countries will follow suit.